In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a header on only one page in Google Docs. This is a handy little trick if you need a header just on the first page for things like reports or letters. So let's dive into the process and make your document look just the way you want it. First things first, let's go ahead and open up our web browser. This can be any browser of your choice: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you prefer to use. Once you have that open, type in google.com into the address bar. Now you'll want to make sure you're signed into your Google account to have access to Google Docs. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a sign in button in the top right corner. Click on it. When prompted, go ahead and type your email address into the box provided and click the next button. You'll then be asked to enter your password, so fill that in and again click next. Now that you're signed in, you should see a small grid or square made up of dots located in the upper right section of the screen near where your profile picture would be. Click on this, and from the apps that appear, choose Google Docs. Once you're in Google Docs, you'll see a list of your documents. Choose the document you want to edit or create a new one. Once the document is open, the magic happens at the header section of the first page, so double click on the top margin to activate it. This will open up the header for editing. With the header open, look for a button labeled Options, which will typically be toward the right end of the header or footer settings. Click on this and you'll see an option for header format. Go ahead and click on header format. This is where you'll tell Google Docs to make a different first page header. In the header format box, you'll find the option to check different first page. Check this box to specify that you want the first page to be different from the rest of your document. This is just the kind of flexibility you need for creating titles or specific first page information without it copying over to other pages. Finally, make sure you click on Apply. Doing so ensures that your changes are saved and good to go. Congratulations, you've now got a header set up only on the first page of your document. A straightforward process, isn't it? And just like that, we're done. This trick is a simple yet effective way to customize Google Docs to suit your needs. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you keep your documents neat and professional looking. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more handy tips and tutorials.